Matt and I are here on location in beautiful Duck Creek. It's a community in southern Utah, mountain community. We're here tearing out these archways. That one and this one is already tore out. I put them in probably 15-20 years ago and they're all rotted off. So we're going to tear them out and bring new ones back and get them all hooked up. There's a couple of issues here. We got to get that sign down. We've also found that it was easier just to cut these off a couple of feet out of the ground, and then we'll get a backhoe in here to dig them out. I think that's going to be the best bet. So stay tuned and watch us tip over an archway. It's kind of an interesting process and kind of fun too. So Matt's not liking this wind, so we decided to hook a strap to the sign and dally it to the skid. He'll take the two brackets off just like that, and then I'll let it down onto the forks. Let him down, and then we can timber away. What do you think of this process, Matthew?
It's interesting.
Yeah?
First archways I've cut down.
We're always standing them up, aren't we?
Yeah, we are.
This has been an archway week from Hades.
Yeah, that's been a good one.
Yeah. On to number 2. There goes Matthew with the skid. We got both these archways knocked down. That was pretty slick. Now I've got to go talk to a local contractor here and have him come dig these stumps out. I'll call Blue Stakes today, get that ready, and then we'll be ready to establish a couple more archways. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.